Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today, guys, I'm actually going to be installing a new mod, and it's going to be for the interior. So finally, I'm actually going to do something to it. All I have in here is like stock interior. There's nothing else other than the Navo's navigation system right there, and that's pretty much it. I used to have Brom racing seats. I removed them. It's a long story. Cloth interior back again. And my interior looks pretty old. So if you guys are 10 to 14 owners, you guys know that our Mustangs are getting left in the dust. They don't look as modern as the new ones do. So this is a great opportunity for you guys to take to upgrade your interior. The guys over at Carbon Heat went ahead and sent me out some carbon interior parts, and I did get in contact with them, and they are a small company. They're just starting off, but this is a prototype of theirs, and they wanted me to test it out. And if it's good to go and everything fits well, then that means they're gonna go out for production and you guys can get your hands on them. And what I have here, guys, is that I did get one of two packages in, and this is the center console for the Mustang. The quality actually looks really good. I know that you can do wrap or hydro dip, but those wrap and hydro dip, guys, don't look as near as good as this. The glossiness is just insane here. It actually looks like real carbon fiber. Obviously it's not, it's just a molding. To me personally, this is better than wrap and hydro dip. It just looks 10 times better. I've seen it in person. I've had my radio wrapped in carbon fiber. It does look good at first, but whenever you like put it next to one of these, it looks a lot better. I did get sponsored by them pretty much. We haven't talked too much about it, but all we did talk was I'm gonna be able to get a sponsorship code for you guys, which would be a percentage off. I don't know yet, but if you guys are interested, they are looking for people to sponsor. So go ahead and check them out on Instagram, guys. They are Carbon Heat. Again, they just started off. Obviously, they're not gonna have a big fan base. They're gonna work there, but they said they will have the best prices. And when it comes to modding our Mustangs, guys, I think the prices have a lot to do with it. They did say the quality is just as good as the other competing brands out there. Let me show you guys what I did get. Once again, this part right here is a center console piece, and it's gonna go right there, and that's how it's supposed to look. I'm gonna see the fitment in a bit, but it looks like it's gonna look pretty good. And the Mustang looks pretty old already as it is, and I'm getting pretty bored with it. When I drive it out and go to car hangouts, it's just the same thing. For 5 years I've been looking at it, and it's like, you know what, I think it's time for a change. I really haven't done much to the interior, and this is where I spent obviously the whole time in the car. So what you guys do want to do, and I already head and got started with it, is I did clean the interior with some regular interior cleaner and a microfiber cloth. And the second step you guys do need to take, and I feel like a lot of people like on videos on YouTube don't mention this to you, is that you do need to use alcohol right here, guys, and you can use a cloth as well to clean it up. Why? Because this alcohol will help with the adhesive on the trim, and it's gonna help stick a lot better, because sometimes we just put it on like that and then we complain that it's coming off or it's peeling off and stuff like that, and it's because we didn't take that extra step. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the microfiber cloth with alcohol all over the center console, wherever the trim is gonna be attached to. The alcohol also does, guys, when you put it on the dash and stuff like that, is that it does remove like any waxes or chemicals that you do have on the dash, and those chemicals sometimes get in the way of the trims actually sticking on really well to them. So I did add the alcohol already, and I have the 3M backing right here. I did remove this trim piece, the chrome one that goes around the trim. All I gotta do now is just add it right here, and it is good to go. Yeah, the fitment looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and start installing this real quick. Just take off the 3M. It's really easy. Remember, guys, just be really careful, because once this thing sticks on, it is really hard to get it off. I'm gonna go ahead and start from the front all the way to the back, and just make sure everything is on properly. Man, this makes a big difference, guys, on your car. Like, if you guys have thought about doing this before, you have to. Don't even like think about it twice. Look at this. Look how nice this looks. And right here, guys, it did send over to me the small piece that goes there. Since I don't have the premium with the sink, this goes ahead and gets covered by the small piece. But I do have the final piece to this right here, and it is the cup holder piece. And I know I did see Jacob Ardotes, another a Mustang YouTuber. He said he didn't like it because it was getting in the way of, like, when you want to open up the cup holder, because obviously I use it too. He said he uses it a lot, and I use my cup holder a lot too. And so I'm gonna try my best to scoot it over like more to this side. That way when it opens up, it won't get like stuck and caught up here. We do have the alcohol that I'm wiping down the whole cup holder trim with. And the alcohol dries pretty quick, guys. So once it dries up, you'll see when it dries up. You go ahead again, take off the 3M from the back of the trim and just place it right here, and it sticks on like in a matter of seconds. So it looks like it's pretty dry now. I'll go ahead and remove it. Again, guys, when it comes to 3M, be really careful because sometimes it'll stick on really good, really quick, and it is actually pretty hard to take off. So make sure you have all your alignment correctly. 3M comes off, and I'm gonna try my best to get this aligned. Right, so where I placed it right now, y'all can see it's not closing in just like they said. So it's coming off. Look at that, guys. It's super hard to come off. So I'm gonna get it closer this way. Hopefully, and there you have it. Yep, that's the whole interior, guys. Well, at least the console for now. And what I am missing is gonna be the whole dash up here and then the radio console, but this was just pretty much a test fitting, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I do like it. It looks really good. You can see the reflection off my visors, guys. It's really glossy. I don't know if you can see how good that carbon fiber quality is, but just wow. Feels super smooth, like a gel type of coating. Well, there you have it, guys. That was a quick install. I know there's already been a few on YouTube, but I wanted to give you my take. But if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next